Let's start by introducing the first handpiece. Select the first one. It shows a failed connection. We will walk through the connection process and demonstrate how to activate a new transmitter. A QR code screen will pop up, which means this is a brand new transmitter. Then open the scanner to scan the QR code. The activation code will appear on the QR code interface. Next, enter this code on the machine. Tap Confirm, and the transmitter will be activated successfully. S1.5, 2.0, and 4.5 transmitters are all for facial treatments. WD6, WD9, and WD12 are for body treatments. The WD9 interface we see now is for body care. Let's go over the functions of each button on this interface. This setting stands for dot spacing, as you can see below. It refers to the distance between energy dots. 1.5 is the standard choice. The second row represents the number of rows of dots, and the preset here is 6 rows. We can set up to 12 rows at maximum, but 6 rows are recommended. The third row stands for the length of the energy output. This value matches the marking on the transmitter. 25 mm is usually selected. The fourth setting is the recommended shot count. For example, 60 shots for arms and 40 shots for wrists. "80 shots for upper abdomen and 80 shots for lower abdomen. 90 shots for thighs." These shot counts are only for reference. Because every client has different body fat levels, leg thickness, and belly size, so these numbers are just references. Scroll down, and this section is for energy adjustment. For body treatments, we need to use relatively higher energy. The adjustable range is 1.2 to 1.5. Start with 1.2. Ask the client about their comfort during operation, and increase energy if they feel fine. You can keep raising the energy. Some clients can tolerate 1.8. The maximum energy for body treatments is 3.0, but we recommend starting at 1.2. Once all energy parameters are set, tap Start. 2 options will pop up here: Manual mode and Auto mode. We usually recommend Auto mode for faster and more convenient operation. These 2 operation modes deliver the exact same treatment effect. After selecting the mode, tap Start, then look at the handpiece. A blue light will turn on after tapping Start. Press the button to operate. For instance, when I press the button, the indicator will flash red. One shot is finished once the red light stops flashing. Then move to the next position and repeat the operation. We've finished introducing this handpiece. Let's switch to another one. To replace the handpiece, slide it along the track directly. The machine will recognize it automatically. This is the S2 handpiece. The interface shows facial treatment mode, so this handpiece is for facial care. The first setting is also dot spacing. 1.5 mm is recommended. The second setting is energy length, fixed at 25 mm. The third setting is recommended shot count. For example, 12 shots for the forehead. The face is divided into 3 zones, with 35 shots per zone for reference. Adjust based on each client's facial size. Below are two treatment modes. The first mode outputs separate single dots. Individual energy dots. If the client has severe aging issues and wants stronger results, choose MPT mode. MPT mode outputs continuous linear energy. It delivers more powerful effects. For first-time clients, we select dot mode. For regular clients who receive frequent treatments, we can switch to line mode. Next is energy adjustment for facial treatments, split into two zones. The first zone is bony areas close to bones, such as the jawline, and protruding forehead. For bony areas, the recommended energy range is 0.7 to 1.0. For soft tissue areas away from bones, like the mid-cheeks with thicker flesh, we can adjust energy from 1.0 to 1.2. Clients who often receive ultrasound lifting treatments or have high pain tolerance can stand up to 1.5. This machine offers a very comfortable treatment experience. Only mild soreness can be felt on the jawbone area. The cheeks barely have any sensation. It provides great comfort and remarkable treatment effects. Tap Start, and the blue light will turn on. Press the button, and the red light will flash. Once it switches back to blue, move to another spot for the next shot. This counter tracks the total number of shots fired. I just fired 2 shots, so the counter shows number 2. There are forbidden treatment zones for facial operations. The face is dense with nerves and blood vessels. First forbidden zone, the thyroid area. Treatments are strictly prohibited here. The chin itself can be treated. Second forbidden zone. The area around the mouth corners. A 2 cm range on both sides of each mouth corner is off limits. Third forbidden zone, the temples. Fourth forbidden zone, the glabellar between the eyebrows. This area has dense nerve distribution and cannot be treated. Guidance on transmitter selection. S1.5 and S2.0 can be used for full face treatment. S3.0 and S4.5 are only for mid and lower face, below the eye sockets. The skin around eyes and forehead is too thin. S3.0 and S4.5 deliver deeper penetration, so we only use them on the lower face. Now let's introduce the second handpiece, 360 mini handpiece. First, I will show you how to install it. The marking here indicates penetration depth, reaching 1.5 mm under the skin. There are 2 versions, 1.5 mm and 3.0 mm. For installation, align the notch, and the machine will auto-recognize the handpiece. Its total service life is 40,000 shots. This counter shows remaining shots. Contact our sales staff to purchase a replacement when remaining shots drop below 4,000. Let's talk about its core functions. First, it targets delicate areas around eyes, nostrils, and mouth corners for enhancement. These areas are active facial muscles that form wrinkles easily, such as fine crow's feet around eyes, nasolabial folds by nostrils, and marionette lines around mouth corners. We use this handpiece to boost results on these areas, to strengthen these wrinkle-prone spots. It comes with 4 dot firing modes: full hollow circle, solid filled circle, half circle and single dot. The full hollow circle is our top recommended mode for general use. Use solid filled circle for clients with severe facial aging. Half circle mode is ideal for eye and mouth corners. Its curved shape fits these facial contours perfectly. The half circle shape is on the opposite side of the head. Now let's cover operation methods. Fixed point firing. And circular lifting motion. For heavily wrinkled areas, perform upward circular lifting movements. Sliding gliding operation is also available. Next, the different functions of the 2 penetration depths. 1.5 mm depth delivers energy to the superficial dermis, so it works best for fine lines on forehead and around eyes. Use 1.5 mm for forehead and periocular wrinkles. The 3.0 mm transmitter is used to improve double chin and thick marionette pocket areas. Energy settings. Start at 1.2 and adjust up to 1.5. This mini handpiece ranges from 1.2 to 1.5. Some clients can tolerate higher energy, adjust based on personal comfort. Next, let's introduce the third handpiece. The third handpiece is the Lipo handpiece. It features a large-sized head with an extensive treatment area, firing up to 576 dots per single shot. Thus it is most suitable for abdominal treatment. And hips, other high-fat body areas. It is equipped with 2 transmitters. 8 mm and 13 mm versions. Select based on the thickness of the client's subcutaneous fat. Check the template icons on screen. We recommend choosing this preset template directly. The blank sections on the template carry no energy. For very slim clients whose ribs are easily touched, the blank areas help avoid ribs, pelvic bones, and navel. For clients with thicker fat layers, select the full energy template for optimal results. Fixed point firing is required. Hold the head steady until 1 shot cycle completes. Two-dot firing orders, sequential and alternate row. Both modes are acceptable. For clients with sensitive skin, alternate row mode delivers gentler sensation. Higher energy can be used for body treatments. Start at 1.5. Maximum adjustable energy is 2.0. Starting at 1.5 is recommended. Tap Start, and the blue indicator light will turn on. There is an operation button on the handpiece. Press the button, and the light will start flashing. Keep the head fixed in place during operation. 1 shot finishes once the flashing stops. Then move to the next position and repeat. Now let's introduce the 4th handpiece, the DEP Handpiece. It adopts microcurrent technology to infuse skincare serums into skin. Whitening, moisturizing, and anti-aging serums are all compatible. Any serum works, but pure water is not recommended. This device greatly enhances the effects of HIFU treatments. HIFU treatment tends to dry out the skin. Using this handpiece boosts client satisfaction by replenishing moisture. The top setting is energy level. Start with energy level 1.5. Maximum level is 3.0. Adjust based on client sensation. This panel monitors serum absorption status in real time. The left button controls vibration strength. 3 gears total. Gear 2 is recommended. Treatment time. No need for full 30 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. Stop once all serum on the face is fully absorbed. 10 to 15 minutes recommended. Tap start, and the handpiece will start vibrating. Here is the test with bare skin with no serum applied. No indicator flashing occurs. Now apply serum on the hand. Start operation with circular gliding motions. You can see the indicator light activates, showing real-time skin absorption status.